We're super excited about our latest review. We work very hard to meet everyone's needs, and we really value hearing 5-star reviews like this one. Now we're sharing it with you. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every individual to ensure we meet their expectations. Complete satisfaction is extremely important to our company. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Contact us today at the number on your screen.